In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Instantly AI. So this is a beginner's guide. To do that, first head over to Instantly.AI and then you can see in here this. Since I don't have an account yet, let's click on this start for free. But if you already have one, just proceed to log in. Let's click on this option right here and then this will direct you to the sign up page of Instantly. In there, you can just create your new account by filling up the details, or you can also sign up using this social sign-ins right there. For my case, I'll head over and check this mark and then click onto this sign up with Google, and let me head over and then sign up with my Google account. Just right here the account that you wish to use, then just wait for this to be redirected to that. This will load and you should be able to just answer these questions right here, like where you find them. Let's just right here some options and company size and click on continue, and then after that just wait for this to finish. Once you're successfully signed up, you should be able to see in here this. So we have in here our dashboard. So we have in here the email accounts that we have, as well as some other options we have right there. So we have in here our organization. You can create your own organization from there, and this will load your dashboard for that. So for this case, you can just click onto this add new right here in order to connect your account and keep warm and send emails from. You can also use Instantly Copilot as well as create some campaigns, use your Dunibox, analytics, as well as some other automations we have right there. In order to use it, let's click onto this add new right here. You can choose some free warm accounts, or you can also choose the done for you email setups. So just choose in here which one you want. If you choose free warm accounts, you can click on continue. Search in here for the accounts that you wish to use. Click on one. You can find them right here. Click on next, then proceed to buy this, connect this, and click on this place order option right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.